Morning, ma'am and sir. I'm Elenita A. Javier, 43 years old from Philippines. I'm a high school graduate, married. We have three children. They are aged 22 years old, my daughter, and 21 years old, my son. I have working experience as a domestic helper in abroad. 4 years in Lebanon. They are four members of the family. We have children, 4 years old girl and 2 years old girl. My duties and responsibilities: taking care of children, send them to the school and pick up them from the school. Cooking, ironing, washing the clothes, clean the house, wash the car, and also marketing. And also I have experience 4 years in Singapore. They are five members of the family. We have children, 12 years old son and 9 years old twin daughter. My duties and responsibilities: taking care of twin children, to send them to the school and pick up them from the school, sometimes cooking, and also clean the house, washing the clothes, ironing, marketing, and washing the clothes. And also I have 1 year experience in Hong Kong. They are four members of the family. We have children, one boy 2 years old and one girl 9 months old. My duties and responsibilities: taking care of two children, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, cooking, ironing, wash the car, and also marketing. And also I have experience in Taiwan, 1 year and 6 months. My duties and responsibilities: taking care of Akong. He has bedridden. Taking care to send them to the hospital, medicine, feed him, and also clean the house, ironing, washing the clothes, wash the car. I go back in the Philippines last August 27, 2025 because Akong, he passed away last July 2025. And I'm decided to go back home because I want to attend my daughter's graduation. Now, I want to apply again because I want to help my family for financial and also my son to finish his study. I hope you heard me, ma'am, and I will promise you I will do my best as your helper. Thank you, ma'am. Hope to see you soon.